Welcome to this video, where we help you get the most out of your browser. If you're using Opera and wanted to show search suggestions before you even start typing, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable this useful feature quickly and easily. First, open your Opera browser. Next, click on the red Opera logo located at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Features. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Show Suggestions Before Typing. Turn this setting on by clicking the toggle switch. That's it. You've successfully enabled suggestions before typing. Now, whenever you click on the address bar, Opera will automatically show suggestion, even before you type a single character. This can include trending searches or frequently visited websites, depending on your browsing activity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick browser tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials that make your tech life easier.